Remi, and I like to make best friends. Today we're gonna make Whaley, and all you need for that is a glove, a pen, and some water. First, you're gonna go get the water. Once you've filled your glove with water, tie it at the end, and then take these two fingers and tie it in a double knot like this, so you don't see the fingers once you've made your friend. Do the same with the other side, but don't do it for the thumb, because that's going to be a tail. Once you've tied your whale like this, take a pen and draw a big smiley face. Feel free to do whatever you want. I made two. This is Whaley 1 and this is Whaley 2. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to see more videos of me making fun friends for you.